Here's Alex Gilliard doing the signing for the morning. Thumbs up, message for the fans, Alex. Alright. How are you doing? Bastian.
How are you doing?
Working hard.
Imagination and
There's a smile, Bass. Yeah. Here's Tommy coming. He's not a morning person, he's our Tommy Miller. Keeps himself to himself in the morning. Best way, is that right, Tommy?
You're joking. That was one of the things you wanted to say.
Taking off him, taking off that. Boys, just having a little stretch. Renzi, Charlie White, Angelo. Morning, Renzi.
Alright, mate, what are you doing?
Alright, how are you this morning?
I'm alright, just rolling me back.
Rolling your back?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Ange?
Sit up, and work on his six pack.
Work in progress, yeah. Speaking of a work in progress.
I'm just trying to be like Renzi.
Model Pro is our Michael.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is Lee. Little station in the morning.
Is this for inside pass, Danny?
No idea, I've just took the microphone and just started following it.
We do outside pass.
Yeah, we'll do outside pass. Into the dressing room with the boys. Here's Troy. Say hello, Troy. You can't say that, this is going on the website. Here's Riggy. He's still a bit. Riggy, how are you feeling since Gary's left?
Sad.
Sad.
Emotional.
Sad. It's nice to see you get a cup of tea. Who made you that cup of tea this morning?
This is my second, this is my own.
Oh, you made that one to do the swings, I'll bring you on them. Here's Mark. Oh, Mark, talk us through what happened last night down at Wilson.
Okay. Yeah, got well beaten.
Well beaten. So Sunday's result wasn't too bad after
Obviously not.
watching your team get hammered as well.
Yeah.
Right. Here's the Welshman on his phone again. Best looking lad in the club. Hey, Patrick's back. Look, he's off. Come here, Pat. Say hello to everyone, Pat.
Good.
Alright, and here's Davey, father to be. Davey got some good news through the week regarding the baby, which is all good. Here's our Brandon. Thumbs up, Brandon. Alright, good. Look at him out. No, Pat, hey, lovely to see Pat back in the club.
Nice to be back.
Nice to be back. Good lad. Here's Cole, working hard as ever. And here's all the lads. Where's Sweens at? Where's the fan Sweens? What's going on this morning here?
This morning we're looking at who's fatigued. Queenie won't be.
So what's this machine doing, Lee?
So what we're doing is we're looking at hamstring strength, hamstring fatigue, and we track this over the season, see how it goes up and down, and try and monitor and adapt people's training load based on that.
Fantastic. How are you feeling, Queenie?
I feel fantastic and I look fantastic.
Wow! Say that again, turn back around. I swear at
These are Triple Brothers.
The Triple Brothers.
JT.
The openers.
Penis.